Hello and welcome. This is Akanksha and you're watching HW News English. In a chilling report from Saharsa district in Bihar, where a 14-year-old young girl was allegedly gang raped inside a moving car by two young men. The shocking incident, which took place on September 14 in a broad daylight, has left the community in a state of shock, raising disturbing questions about the safety of women and girls in public spaces. The girl was reportedly returning home after grazing goats when the two accused, identified as Ankush and Bittu, stopped their car near her. According to the victim's statement, they forced her into the vehicle at gunpoint. Inside the car, the horror unfolded. She was sexually assaulted by both men while a third individual drove the car around the Barirahi market area. The girl in her testimony revealed that the accused also played loud music inside the car, so that her screams did not reach the locals. The girl said, adding the accused also threatened to keep quiet. The sheer brazenness of the crime conducted in a busy public area is horrifying. According to reports, the victim's aunt later shared more details, stating that the men not only raped her but also slapped her and bit her, leaving her with torn clothes and bruises. Traumatized and terrified, the young girl initially chose not to reveal the attack. But after being pressured by her family, she disclosed the ordeal the following day. On September 15, the family filed a complaint at the Sardar police station. Immediately after the complaint, Saharsa police, under the sub-divisional of police officer Alok Kumar, registered an FIR. In a swift response, one of the accused, Ajit Kumar, has been taken into custody, and the police have launched a manhunt to track down the remaining perpetrators. The vehicle used in the crime have been also recovered, but many are questioning to remain about the speed and effectiveness of the police's response. Superintendent of Police Himanshu has promised that justice will be served. He assured the community that the remaining accused will be also arrested soon, and that the case is being fast-tracked under the Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act. But despite these assurances, this incident has sparked widespread outrage, with many questioning how such crime could have occurred in broad daylight, and why it took so long for action to be taken against the accused. The fact that the girl's screams went unheard due to the loud music playing inside the car is a chilling detail that emphasizes how isolated the victim felt during the attack. As the investigation continues, the victim has undergone a medical examination. Initial reports suggest that no visible injuries, but results are still pending. The victim's family, however, is not looking for mere arrests. They are demanding justice for their daughter. The girl's father expressed his anguish, saying, "How much money can they offer me? We don't need their money. We need justice for my daughter." It has also been revealed that the accused had previously harassed the young girl, with one of them even attempting to bribe the family after the crime in exchange for their silence. The girl's aunt confirmed that the accused had threatened to kidnap the girl if she did not comply with their demands, making it clear that this was not an isolated act of violence, but a premeditated crime. The family had stood up firm in their refusal to accept any settlement, declaring that they will not rest until the guilty are punished. In a similarly shocking incident, a 9-year-old girl was raped in Pardi area at around 4 p.m. on Sunday. According to the Times of India, the accused, who is yet unknown, committed the crime in the presence of a 5-year-old sister and offered ₹20 to keep quiet. Even 24 hours after the incident, the cops are trying to hunt clues to nab the accused. This incident has not only shattered the lives of the victim and her family, but also brought light to the dangerous realities that young girls face in rural India. The fact that such brutal crime could take place in a public area, that too in a broad daylight, raises urgent questions about the state of law enforcement and the protection of women's rights in Bihar. While the police investigation is underway and one arrest has been already made, the real challenge lies in ensuring the remaining accused are brought to justice. But the question remains, why do such heinous crimes continue to happen? How can young girls and women in the country feel safe when incidents like these occur in their communities? As we await further updates, one thing is clear, that this case must not be allowed to fade into the background. The people of Saharsa, indeed, and the entire country is watching closely. The young girl's plea for justice must be answered, and the perpetrators must face full force of the law. That's all for this news report. Till then, keep watching HW News English, and also download our app HW News Shorts for the latest news and updates.
Stay ahead with our cutting-edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.